Imagine, ganito kalapit ang hotel mo sa Hong Kong sa convenience stores at sa MTR station. Pwedeng lakarin papunta sa Temple Street Night Market. Walking distance din ang Lung Fung Mall, Sneaker Street at ang sikat na bilihan ng mga murang pasalubong, ang Ladies Market. Welcome to the City View, Hong Kong. Naibook ko ito via Agoda and rate starts at 3,300 pesos per night. Don't forget to use the discount code MAMALIS Agoda to get up to 10% discount. And if you will book via Klook, you can use the discount code MAMALISPH Klook and enjoy up to 5% discount. Awarded din pala tong hotel by several travel platforms. Kaya I'm confident din na i-recommend ang hotel na to. We booked the Premier Plus King Room. May couch with footrest, may TV, at very comfortable ang bed. Malaki ang kanilang lamesa, and for Hong Kong standard, malaki ang size ng room. Maganda rin ang view sa window ng room na napunta sa amin. By the way, nasa 20th floor pala kami. May matatanaw na court at may view ng hospital na malapit sa hotel. Natuwa ako dahil meron palang reading lamp dito. At sa bedside, meron ding switch ng mga ilaw. May full body mirror at pwede din itong maging luggage storage area. Merong in-room beverage set at merong pitchel na pwede mong pag-refillan ng water na nasa lobby. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang mini ref. Check naman natin ang cabinet. Merong mga hangers, may hair dryer, may safety deposit box, may 2 pairs of slippers, at may luggage rack. Spotless clean ang kanilang toilet and bath. At in fairness, generous sila sa tissue. May bathtub at meron na silang body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Common sa mga hotel sa Hong Kong ang walang bidet. Pero mahaba ang shower head dito kaya di namin nagamit ang aming portable tabo pang hugas. Yes! Overall, nakapag-rest talaga kami dito after a long tiring day nakakalakad. They also have buffet breakfast at may discount pa if you are a hotel guest. We highly recommend this hotel na nasa Yau Ma Tei area, lalo na if you will be shopping at magfo-food trip malala sa HK. You can watch our Hong Kong Macau full vlog on our YouTube channel, Mamalis Wonder Fam.